So we're going to compile. Let's play again and then compile the program. Okay, no error. Now we'll execute the program. Okay, so we have an endless loop where the number value is, the number keeps changing, and we have an endless loop because of the condition we have a line 8. So this is an endless condition. Alright, so we'll have to stop this program by closing this window, otherwise this will just execute forever. Alright, so we need to put this there so that we can have a loop that we can control. Okay, I want to show off one more example. Let's go back to command prompt. Okay, cd SoftSchool Java, cd week 3 day 1. Okay, alright, so Java program main.java. Alright, then Java program main. There we go. So 1 to 20. Alright, so we have our loop 1 to 20. Now I want to show off one more example. Now this example would be using the string, and then I want to loop through the characters in the string. Okay, here I have let me play a string called name is equal to whose name should I use now? Olalekan. Okay, so here I'll then go for int I is equal to 0, I is less than name dot length, okay, then I plus plus. Alright, I'd like to comment this out so that it doesn't interfere with the new program I'm about to write. Okay, so we have this string, and I said dot length. This dot length will return the length of the string, so in this case it will return 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this will return 8, and then we want to loop from 0 to 7, okay, because again index starts from 0. Alright, so here I'm going to say system dot out dot print line okay, name dot char art is a method in Java that returns the character in a specific position of a string. Let me see if I can find the Java documentation so that I can show you something. Okay, if you want the Java documentation, you can get it online, and if you want me to send it to you, I can send it to you. Okay, alright, so this is Java documentation for the documentation for Java standard edition. I want to look for that method we just used, that is length and char, which is in the string class. Okay, and string is found in java.lang package. And remember I told you something about the java.lang package, that all the classes in java.lang are automatically imported into every source file, into every Java source file. Java.lang, then scroll down, look for string class. So again, maybe another time I'll come over to this documentation and explain how to use this documentation. Then I'll show off a lot of examples. But for now, let me just say this, that this area is where you find the package declaration like java.applet, java.awt. You have java.io, which we'll talk about later, for writing to file and reading from file and writing to writing to streams. Okay, so java.lang is a package. Now there, when you click on it, you see the list of all the interfaces, classes, and exceptions. Okay, and of course enums, then errors and annotation types. So we our concern right now is classes. Now we have all these classes in the package. We have a double, you have the long, you have integer, you have number, an object, okay, and on and on and on. You have short. I'm looking for string. So when you click on the class, you see the description of the class here. Then if you scroll down, you find some notes on how to use the class in your program with some examples. And if you scroll down, you see the constructor on how to create an object of this class. In our next video, we'll be talking about classes and objects, and I will explain more about constructors, methods, objects and classes, and the relationship between all this, so that you will understand very well the concept of classes and objects. So this is the constructor for the class, and then you see different constructor. These are overloaded constructor. We'll talk more about overloaded constructors or overloaded methods later in these videos in the upcoming week. Okay, now here you see this method char at, okay, that I used earlier in the program. Is it here? Char at. Okay, if you look at it very closely, you see is a char uppercase A and T, char at, and it takes an integer value. It returns the character value at the specified index. Okay, that's what I just did here. Okay, and I pass I to it. So while it's looping, the I value changes and it prints out the character in a single line. Yeah, that's what I did. Now then again, here we have length. Okay, if you check the documentation, scroll down, we'll see length. Okay, is it here? Length returns the length of this string. So if I say dot length, returns an integer, which is the length of the string. That is why I added a dot length here to determine the length of the string. Okay, and if you scroll down, you see more interesting methods like to uppercase, to lower, to uppercase. Okay, it says it converts all the characters in the string to uppercase using the rule of the default locale. Okay, the uppercase, you have the lowercase as well. We also have it to char array, converts the string to a new character array. Alright, so you can play around with the string methods. For that, I just want to display the characters in this string name, one character in the line. Alright, so let's go on. Okay, clear screen, and then alright, then let's execute our program. Okay, so you see OLALEKAN. Let me do something here. Let me make it more descriptive. Okay. The character at position cutting it I. Okay, is alright. The character at position I is that character. Okay, it's more descriptive. Okay, so let's see. Compile. Okay, there we go. So the character at position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is OLEKAN Olaleko. Something we could do again is starting from 0, we want to start from 1. So I can do this here, plus 1. Okay, so that the output will show. Okay, then compile, execute, then yeah.